My name is Diane Dandino. I am CEO of IPOWER Alliance. IPOWER Alliance provides solar and solar integrated hail canopies for car dealerships and commercial businesses. We actually specialize in a product we co-developed with VPS, which is a solar integrated hail canopy solution that covers the vehicles for their insurance, but adds solar for energy savings, additional coverage on the edges, and then tax credits on the entire project. Anything east of the Front Range, all the way through the Midwest, is experiencing more and more hail. And this is considered the hail belt. And Colorado over the last 10 to 15 years has seen more and more hailstorms at dealerships, which has caused devastating damage to their inventory. And insurance rates are starting to skyrocket.
I'm Andrew Lyons, General Manager here at Transwest Truck Trailer RV in Frederick, Colorado. At the end of the day, it comes down to insurance and protecting your inventory. A hailstorm here, one claim can mean millions of dollars. You know, it's hard to sell a unit that's got hail damage. You know, between VPS and IPOWER Alliance, they were good partners, everyone communicated, and it works. It's very reliable, it's simple, and our insurance company is happy. Everything that's under there is protected. I mean, it's literally that simple.
For me, it's really important to stack value for resiliency. In order to make those align, we decide how much solar they need for their business, and that married with the canopies provides the right amount of coverage. By installing the solar, these businesses are actually adding power back into the grid, which is a great thing. But what's really important to me and what I love about them is that they're beautiful. We design them and build them as an extension of our customers' showrooms.
The big thing is in the summer. I mean, it was a benefit we didn't even think about. It's cooler, you can stand under there in the summer and talk with a customer.
It's more comfortable, they spend more time.
Everything being undercover all summer, it's so nice, it really is.
One of the big financial drivers of this project was the investment tax credit, which paid for 40% of this project. That is available right now through the end of 2026. These projects take about a year to build. For dealerships that are more proactive, thinking about protecting their inventory, we're encouraging dealerships, if they think they're interested in a project like this, that they contact us now. The industry is changing. Between the cost of fixing cars and the cost of their insurance going up, hailstorms are just becoming a bigger loss every year. The insurance companies are not taking the brunt anymore. I appreciate the opportunity to provide multiple benefits to our customers with one project. We get to work with a client, get to know them, understand their energy needs and their coverage needs and their insurance needs, and we get to design something with them that's going to really, really benefit them. And I love that.